Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial. Today we're going to do a quick tutorial on Sony Vegas Pro 16 and we're going to be showing you how to slow down video. So get your footage in slow-mo. Alright, let's begin. So I've already put some footage. This is just some footage of me racing F1 2018. Filmed at 60 frames per second. So one thing you will need is some footage 60 frames per second or above, because essentially when you're slowing it down, say 50%, well then you're going down to 30 frames per second. So you will need 60 frames per second footage or higher. Alright, so I've got that footage in here, so we'll drag that down into the timeline like so. What do we got? We'll just get to where we're actually racing a little bit, so it looks okay. Split, which is S on the keyboard, split the footage. We'll zoom in a bit there for you. Make it a bit bigger. There we go, and we'll say we'll split it there as well. So we've got some footage in the middle there. Basically all you got to do here is hold down Control, and you'll see a little squiggly line appear there. I'll just stretch this over a bit more. So hold down Control, squiggly line, just drag that out, and right down the bottom there you'll see a little percentage that tells you how much percentage you're actually slowing it down. That's 46, 45. So let's slow it down to say, yeah, 50.2, which is, you know, half. Go back here. Play the footage. Just turn that volume down a bit. As you can see, got some nice slow-mo footage there. Line this one back up, like, oops, like that. Just go up here a bit more, and you'll see now, boom, back to normal footage. Yeah, so that's it guys, it's basically really easy to do. Just hold down Control, squiggly line, and you can stretch it out. You can slow it down to say 71%, whatever you like. Back here, play it, that's slowed down to 73%. And that's basically it. Easy way to slow down your videos. Alright guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.